people can give you pressure, you do something you will regret. Is it by force? Who first put pressure on these people to marry that they couldn't get a marriage planner to plan their things for them? Look at it. In Africa here, if we are getting married, the ladies kente should appear in a gentleman's attire. But here's the case, the man is wearing all full colored without the ladies kente because he's forced. He's not happy. Look at his face. He's not happy. Or the lady didn't get money to buy plenty kente so that the guy can get some. Because even if you're hiding something from your girlfriends, at least cut small of the kente, put it on the neck of your shirt or the hand so that we will know that you're getting married. Look at some toy things you are doing that they say we not free do and we do them shock. Who shock? Think about the cry you are going to cry afterwards. Like the way when you were dating, you were crying. Me, I know shock. You know you are pregnant. That's why you are forcing the marriage. But Masa, stop the kutia and focus on what you are getting yourself to. That is all we are talking about. Ghana Chioma and Ghana Davido, what is going on? No one is forcing anyone. You needed advice on this thing you were going to do. They said they were doing something like bridal shower gel. And look at the bridal shower gel they did last night. I was watching, clamped across my leg, laughing like Jacka. Is it by force? It's not by force. Stop doing this. And focus in your life. Don't force a man to marry you. Relax. And the marriage will be beautiful. Look at these toy things. Me, I'm tired though. Me, I speak the truth. And the truth shall set me free. I say it the way it is. And I give advice. If you are smart, you will learn and work on it. I love you guys. I did my one corner. I did check myself. Kiss, kiss. Mwah. A word to a wise is enough. My English is coming. If you are my man and we go out to play ampe or to swim and you see me sinking or doctorizing or wickable and you don't support and take me to the hospital and someone else come to carry me to the hospital and you stand there because you are speechless and marvelous and crying and make your face babantu like popo and they take me to the hospital, I come back, you have me to face. If you claim you love me, you have to support me, even though if you are slim, smallish or what. You have to support me, carry me to the hospital, see me recovering. Because who knows, whoever will come and carry me, by the time they will take me to the hospital, they've killed me. And you will be crying. And at the end, when I'm dead and gone, you will go and enjoy another woman. If you say you love me, be there for me. Be ready for anything. Show your clutchy power and support me. That is love. Don't stand there like Pompo and let someone else carry me from the water I fall in for you. And I'll come and tell you good news. Listen to what I'm saying, Mr. Right, in my life.